in your love for your 1961 VW Bug. The bond with Pops and your journey as a content creator. This blues piece captures the essence of Mississippi blues with a heartfelt narrative. Mario, known as the Speaker, has a passion for content creation and a deep connection to his family, especially his pops, a Marine who taught him to appreciate life and love for his classic 61 VW Bug. At 51, Mario reflects on his journey, weaving together nostalgia and ambition, celebrating the legacy of the Bug that has brought his family together. He aims to inspire others through his YouTube channel and his love for classic cars. Woke up this morning with the sun on my face, got my old Bug taking me to a better place. Pops by my side, he's still holding strong, says keep this ride rolling, it's where you belong. Those VW Bug blues with a harmonica playing, got nothing to lose. From the streets of my youth to the open road wide in my heart, that Bug's got nowhere to hide. From the Marine's pride to a father's love, every mile we travel feels like a gift from above. Pops taught me the grit, the struggle, the strife. In this old Volkswagen I found my life. Those VW Bug blues with a harmonica playing, got nothing to lose. From the streets of my youth to the open road wide in my heart, that Bug's got nowhere to hide. Now Cheyenne's grown with a kid of her own. This Bug's got history and love has been sown. From hot rods to electric, let's pave the way. Together we'll ride, come what may. So here's to the journey, the miles we'll roam. With Pops in the passenger seat, we're never alone. Raise a glass to the memories, let the good times flow. With the VW Bug blues, let the whole world know. With my YouTube buddies, come on, don't be late. Finger always breaking, something on the go. A real Dr. Jekyll, but sweet, you know. Got that clumsy charm like a whirlwind dance. With a smile so bright, she'll take any chance. Family blues and fishing tales. With my pops by my side, we're catching those trails. Like, share, subscribe, let's collaborate. With my YouTube buddies, come on, don't be late. Then there's Mike, seeing what he can smoke. The laid-back rector, always one of a kind. With my wingman by my side through thick and thin. Together we'll laugh, that's where it begins. Family blues and fishing tales. With my pops by my side, catching those trails. Like, share, subscribe, let's collaborate. With my YouTube buddies, come on, don't be late. How's my big black lab, loyal and true? And Taco the Chihuahua with the biggest heart too. Fishing buddies in tow, casting lines all day, living life fully our family.